Hey guys, Tom at DSC Sport here. We just have our DSC V3 controllers back in stock for the 991 car. So to celebrate this, we're installing this for our first customer for this production batch on a 991 GT3 Touring. Step one is to remove the key from the car. This car has the lightweight bucket seats. They're not foldable, so we're gonna have to put one all the way forward, the other one all the way backward to access the back panel. We now have the driver's seat all the way forward, passenger seat all the way backward, so let's get into this area back here. Thankfully, this car does not have a back half cage. So I'm gonna reach under this carpet and just give it a tug. It just comes right out. This is where the controller is located. We're just gonna flip this forward. The two connectors are slide lock connectors. They disengage by sliding away from the controller. The larger connector is usually tighter than a smaller one, but once you have it worked out to a certain distance here, stick your thumb in it and use it as leverage. Carefully line the connector up. Do you see the 3 locking tabs in here? Make sure they're fully aligned and just close the lever. Same for the small connector. Line it up nicely, take your time, and close. For this car, we're putting in an optional COM cable in case we want to do some custom tuning or data logging. With a new controller, just reverse the process, flip it back into its enclosure here. We're going to tuck this COM cable into the carpet here so it's concealed. Put the carpet back in place.